In this video, I'm going to show you how to unbox and set up your HP DeskJet 4300 series printer. Open from the top. In the front, you will see there is a small box, and if you open it, you will see it contains power cable, set of 2 ink cartridges and some leaflets with instruction manuals. Take it out, remove the packaging, remove the protective tape, remove this from inside, close this, plug in the power cable at the back of the printer. Power cable goes here. Next step is to load the paper and install the setup ink cartridges. To load the paper, go to the side of the printer. Slide it on the upside and leave it like this. Move this upside and move this blue lever to this corner. Load plain paper letter size. It will settle itself. Leave it. Now go to the front. To install the ink cartridges, take the ink cartridges out of this plastic packaging. Remove the orange seal. Remove it from both black and color ink cartridge. Open the front door. Pull this door down. The ink chamber will move and come into the middle section. Now place the black ink cartridge here. Hold the printer and push it in. Same with the color ink cartridge. Slide it little bit, adjust it here and then push it in. Close the door. Wait for the printer, it will print the alignment page. Once your printer prints the alignment page, we have to scan it. Open the lid, place the page facing down on this corner and then click on the color button. Wait for the alignment. Scanning is done. We can remove this page. Our printer is ready for the copy. So we can start copying with this printer right now. Next is to do the wireless setup of the printer for wireless printing and scanning. There are 2 methods to do the wireless setup. First is using the Wi-Fi method and second is Wi-Fi direct. That means first is to use with the home Wi-Fi network and second is just using the printer's Wi-Fi, inbuilt Wi-Fi. So let's start with the first step. Here we have to look on the printer control panel. When you start the printer, you will see the wireless light is flashing. That means it is in the setup mode. Now go to your smartphone. You can also set up using a laptop or MacBook. Go to the App Store. In the Android phone, you can go for the Play Store and just in the search section type in HP and open the HP app. If you have older phones, you can use the HP Smart app. Now open this app. To add the printer, click on the plus button that is here or select add device. Select the first option, set up and connect a new printer, and in that select the option launch setup. Select HP DeskJet 4300 series. Connect printer to Wi-Fi, yes. It will display the Wi-Fi connection that is your smartphone connected to. So make sure your smartphone is already connected to the Wi-Fi network. Click next. It can automatically enter the password and connect with the printer. So this will connect your printer to the home internet, and then we can add it in different devices for wireless printing and scanning. Printer is connected, setup is complete. Click done. Press the flashing information button. Press it once and release it. Once your printer is connected, the wireless light will become stable. Now for the printer privacy, we can click on the accept all. Select the country of residence. Continue. It will ask you to register the printer and enjoy the account benefit. If you want, you can do that, but you can also use your printer without that. So click on the skip account activation. For ink, again it will ask you, if you want, you can get 3 months of free ink with no payments, but later on it will ask subscription fee. We can just use it without that. So click on the do not enable ink delivery, skip offer. For updates, we can click on the auto updates or notify and click on the save. This is the welcome page. If you want, you can print it or you can skip printing to save the ink. Continue. That's our printer. It displays HP DeskJet 4300 series, and from the app we can use it for scanning, printing documents, printing photos. So there are so many things we can do from here. So that's the first setup, using the Wi-Fi setup of the printer. Next is to do the Wi-Fi direct, that is using the inbuilt Wi-Fi of the printer. If you don't have any home Wi-Fi network, then you can go for the second step. Here we have to activate the Wi-Fi direct. If you see a small icon there next to the wireless icon, then it means it is activated. But right now we don't have that. So press the wireless button once and then that icon will appear. Now to print the password of the printer, press the information button, I button. This is the printer information report. In this report, look for the Wi-Fi direct icon, and here you have to read the details. You will see the Wi-Fi direct name of the printer is here, and this is the password of it. This password is different for each printer. To connect it with your smartphone, go to the settings, open Wi-Fi, wait for the printer's Wi-Fi to show up. If you don't see that, refresh the Wi-Fi, select HP DeskJet 4300 series direct. Enter the password as printed on the page. And then join it. Now go to the app section and download the HP app. You can just go to the Play Store or you can go to the App Store. This is the HP app. Click on the open. To add the printer, click on the add device. Select the second option, add an existing printer, add device. On the next page it will display HP DeskJet 4300 series. It says add printer. Click here. Printer is installed. Now we can directly print and scan with smartphone. So it's a direct connection. From the app we can control the printer for scanning and printing. We can do lots of things like diagnostics, print quality tools, all the things we can do from this process. So that is the unboxing and complete wireless setup of the HP DeskJet 4300 series printer. Hopefully this will help you to set up your printer. Thanks for watching.